Tesla's off-road mode is a software feature designed to enhance vehicle performance on unpaved surfaces. It's primarily available on the Cybertruck and select Model Y X variants with AWD and air suspension. This mode enhances handling in challenging terrains like dirt, sand, and gravel. For example, on a 30-degree incline, the system adjusts to maintain stability. The video will guide you through activating off-road mode and understanding its functionalities. In light off-roading scenarios, vehicles can maintain speeds around 15 to 20 miles per hour on uneven terrain. Remember, its capabilities are tailored for light off-roading, not extreme rock crawling. This includes adjusting air suspension for improved ground clearance up to 16.9 inches on Cybertruck. You can access it via Controls Driving Off-Road on the touchscreen. To activate off-road mode, navigate to Controls on your Tesla's touchscreen, then select Driving, and finally choose Off-Road. The exact menu path may vary slightly depending on your model year and software version. Activating this mode automatically adjusts several vehicle parameters, including ride height if equipped with air suspension and traction control settings. Look for a visual confirmation on the screen indicating that off-road mode is engaged. Note that on some models, this is a subscription-based service or requires the off-road package to be purchased to use. In off-road mode, Tesla's traction control system becomes less aggressive, allowing a controlled amount of wheel slip around 10 to 20%. This is crucial for maintaining momentum on loose surfaces and preventing the vehicle from getting bogged down. Unlike traditional vehicles, Tesla's electric powertrain relies on software-controlled torque vectoring and stability systems for traction management. This torque distribution is managed through ABS sensors and an inertial measurement unit, which work together to optimize power delivery to the wheels. For example, in soft sand conditions, the system automatically reduces traction control even further to help prevent the vehicle from getting stuck. For maximum wheel spin in challenging off-road conditions, you can completely disable traction control within Tesla's off-road mode. Access this advanced feature through the vehicle's touchscreen menu. Disabling traction control allows more wheel spin, which can help maintain momentum on loose surfaces like mud or sand. However, this means the vehicle may follow a wider, less controlled path around obstacles. Disabling traction control also turns off electronic stability control, or ESC. Without ESC, the vehicle may experience oversteer or loss of control in corners, as shown by the more erratic path in red. This feature is marked by a traction warning icon and should only be used by experienced off-road drivers in specific situations. Disabling stability control can lead to increased risk, so always understand the implications and be prepared to manage the vehicle's handling. If your Tesla has air suspension, like the Cybertruck, Model Y Performance, and Model X Plaid, off-road mode will automatically adjust the ride height. This adjustment increases ground clearance from the standard height to provide better capability over obstacles. On models like the Cybertruck, this can provide up to 16.9 inches of ground clearance, making it easier to navigate obstacles and uneven terrain. Ensure the suspension has fully adjusted before proceeding onto challenging terrain to avoid damage or instability. Tesla recommends using off-road mode only on unpaved surfaces like dirt roads, trails, or rugged terrain. This mode optimizes the vehicle for challenging conditions but can affect handling on smooth pavement. When returning to paved roads, immediately disengage off-road mode and re-enable traction control. The lowered suspension and adjusted traction settings can compromise stability and handling on highways or city streets. Tesla's traction control system is designed to protect the battery and electric motors from damage. Unlike traditional gas vehicles, it may not allow a complete disable of traction control, maintaining some oversight even in off-road mode to prevent overheating or excessive strain on the powertrain. Be mindful of the vehicle's limitations. Tesla vehicles like the Cybertruck are capable of light off-roading, but are not designed for extreme rock crawling or heavy-duty trail use like specialized 4x4 vehicles. The electric powertrain and suspension have different constraints than gas-powered off-roaders. Always practice in controlled environments before tackling challenging trails. Start with gentle slopes and obstacles to familiarize yourself with the vehicle's behavior in off-road mode. Use spotting techniques and go slow to build confidence and avoid getting stuck. Cybertruck owners have successfully navigated 4x4 trails in Moab with off-road mode engaged, even traversing mud up to 12 inches deep at 15 to 20 miles per hour. Model Y owners in the Rockies have utilized the mode for forest trails, demonstrating better traction on gravel roads compared to gas SUVs in wet conditions. However, some users have reported issues like mode deactivation on steep descents or getting stuck in sand due to improper mode usage. These examples highlight both the benefits and limitations of the system. The off-road EV market is rapidly evolving, with Tesla leading the way. Expect future advancements in AI-driven terrain recognition, adaptive suspension tuning, and satellite connectivity for real-time terrain mapping. Adaptive suspension tuning will become more sophisticated, automatically adjusting ride height for optimal ground clearance. Satellite connectivity will enable real-time terrain mapping, allowing the vehicle to anticipate challenges ahead. Battery technology improvements will extend off-road range, enabling longer adventures without range anxiety. Software updates will continue to refine traction control algorithms, making them smarter and more responsive. By 2030, expect fully autonomous off-road capabilities where the vehicle can handle complex trails independently. This shift towards software-defined vehicles is making off-road mode a gateway to broader EV versatility, expanding functionality through software updates.